everybody. I was just trying to record the video. This screen recording stopped randomly. I don't know why. I'm trying to delete. Everything was deleted. That was kind of weird. I'm hoping it just acts good. Fair use. I'm able to use clips and for entertainment and educational purposes. And let's go over this video. I was going over the clips and that messed it up. But hey, you know what? Now I'll be able to break it up.
I've got the key to this 22 Honda Civic Si.
Yeah,
we are going to take it for a drive, but first let's check out how it looks on the inside and outside. Honda definitely going for a more mature look.
That's clean. Let's go on the exterior a little bit. I like this angle right here. This is my favorite angle. And many are gonna buy this car for their daughters and sons,
respectable
themselves,
and
older people, all type of people.
There's a pair of LED taillights. The jutting.
I'm not gonna lie, sometimes the driver makes the car worse. So don't just buy this car for anybody, you know, not your daughter graduating high school and get into college. Like, yeah, this is a good car, but are you gonna make it look nice?
Oh.
But this has a lot of characteristics, maybe to me more than that black one.
Off rev match. And with that done, we can now have some fun. Yeah, turn-in is immediate. And you can just chuck front drive cars into corners in ways you can't.
Do rear drive, yep.
That would get you in trouble in rear drive cars.
Yep, it's true. That's why one thing I like about him too is that he knows how to drive.
Let's put some more pressure on those brakes now.
This is real life driving, like cane driving. Like, people want to drive this hard.
With the stiffer springs and stiffer front and rear stabilizer bars.
Let's go below. This is a great drive because it's showing us the characteristics of how we can really push this car. And this is the new Si. Like, I keep on thinking, look, it's the older one because that one looks like it would do that.
But it's just small critiques with the Civic Si because Honda has this formula down. They have this power output down. They've got the front drive setup down. They've got the steering feel down. But what about the daily driving of the Civic Si? Because I mentioned that the suspension is taut enough to keep the body in line through corners, and sometimes the trade-off for tight suspension is a punishing ride. I'll say that the Civic Si gets bouncy over undulations, but when it hits
still a little bit.
And with that blazing orange paint job, but
if you want to catch a full review, go to his channel.
Is all standard goodies. The power we know, the 0 to 60 figure I didn't quote for you, it's 6.8 seconds, says, what was it, Motor Trend or Car and Driver, one of the two. Top speed is about 130 miles per hour. Fuel economy is excellent at 27 city, 37 highway, and 31 combined.
Okay. So what we know from the Si is that it's a pretty straight car. Like, this type of car is gonna get you around to wherever you need to go. It's also quick as heck. But like I said, it might not be the best out of the competition, but it might be, depending on what you really like.